Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put on a sweatshirt. So as you see here, I have a sweatshirt, one that I commonly use, and I'm going to try to put it on. So the first thing you need to do is make sure it's straightened out. You can unfold it like this and make sure that all the arms are sticking out like this, the head's sticking out, it's not inside out. So I see here that this is all correct. Then, the most common method is making sure that the front of it is facing you. Put the bottom part over your head, like this. After that, you can push the rest of it down until you put your head through the hood. Make sure that you're not putting your head through your armholes. The hood is going to be the bigger one, and it also will have a string if it's a hoodie. Then, you can put your arms in through the bottom, the same hole you put your whole body through. So as you see here, my arms are now in this, and then you stick one of them through the long left thing, and one of them through the long tunnel on the right side. You extend out your arms, making sure not to rip the coat, but then you do that until your hands appear. Finally, you just grab this and pull it down, and you're wearing a sweatshirt. You can put the hoodie up if you want, if it has one, and you're good to go. If you learned a lot from this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.